माय चैनल। तो बताइए, हाउ आर यू ऑल? इज एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग गुड? बहुत दिन बाद आप सबसे हम मिल रहे हैं। फॉर दैट आई एम रियली फीलिंग गुड। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। आई एम Sasri Sanali and today's topic is difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell। पिछली क्लास में हम सेल के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत बात किए थे। आज हम सेल की टाइप के डिफरेंस के बारे में बात करेंगे, ठीक है? अरे ये क्या है? 1 मिनट, हम तो अभी सेल के डिफरेंस के बारे में बात कर रहे थे ना। तो ये घर, ये विलेज कैसे आ गया? इज देयर एनी मिस्टेक? नॉट एट ऑल माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, देयर इज नो मिस्टेक। Actually, this is a snap of a little heart which is present in a village. Have you seen this type of heart? If you enter into this house, you are getting only one room. Okay, so all members are eating, sitting, sleeping, studying within a single room. There is no separate room for each and every member. Okay, that means this is not in a advanced form, right? अगर हम घर के बारे में बात करेंगे तो इस तरह से घर फर्स्ट आया था। बात समझ में आ रही है या नहीं? ओके, तो फिर ये क्या है? ये जो आप बिग बिग बिल्डिंग्स देख रहे हैं ना, ये दिस इज़ द इमेज ऑफ ए सिटी। ओके, यहाँ पे जितने भी घर होता है ना, वो बहुत लार्ज एंड कम्प्लेक्स होते हैं। एक ही घर को चलो ले लेते हैं। सो जो वहाँ पे जितने भी मेंबर्स रहते हैं, सबका अलग सा रूम होता है। उनका लिविंग रूम, किचन, स्टडी रूम, स्लीपिंग रूम, डाइनिंग रूम, सब कुछ बहुत स्पेसिफिक एंड अलग सा होता है। हाँ या नहीं? कैन यू कंपेयर दिस टू कंसेप्ट? गांव में जो हट मैंने आपको दिखाई वो प्रिमिटिव टाइप की है, वो उतना डेवलप नहीं है, इसीलिए तो एक ही रूम में वो लोग मैनेज कर लेते हैं। पर सिटी में जो घर होता है ना, वो वहाँ के लोग एडवांस लाइफस्टाइल मेंटेन करते हैं। उनका घर डेवलप है, घर में सभी लोग के लिए सेपरेट रूम होता है। So by taking this concept, we are going to understand about the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. So first of all, what is prokaryotic cell? Pro means primitive and karyon means nucleus. Okay, so prokaryotic cells are the simplest and most primitive types of cell which do not have true nucleus and membrane bounded organelles. Just like a heart present in a village, प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल के पास एक ही रूम होता है जहाँ पे वो सब कुछ करते हैं। दे डोंट हैव ट्रू न्यूक्लियस एंड मेम्ब्रेन बाउंडेड ऑर्गेनेल्स। न्यूक्लियस एंड मेम्ब्रेन बाउंडेड ऑर्गेनेल्स के बारे में हम बाद में बात करेंगे। अभी के लिए ये सारे न्यू टर्म्स को तुम सुन लो एंड जान लो, ठीक है? सो प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल कंसिस्ट ऑफ सिंगल सेल्ड माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स known to be the earliest on earth. Okay, so they are the first ever organism present on earth. And the examples of prokaryotic cells are: first one is eubacteria, second one is archaebacteria, and the last one is cyanobacteria. Clear everyone? Now you can see the beautiful colorful image of a prokaryotic cell. Okay, so this is the ultrastructure of prokaryotic cell. Here you can see a beautiful diagram or image of a virus, right? Is it a virus? अरे वायरस इज ए सेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म ना, उसके पास डेफिनेट सेल नहीं होता है, तो ये वायरस तो नहीं हो सकता। तो ये क्या है? ये बैक्टीरिया है, ठीक है? ये बैक्टीरिया का इमेज है। एंड यू नो बैक्टीरिया इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ ए prokaryotic cell. So prokaryotic cell has a cell envelope which is the outermost protective layer. It is 3 layer: capsule, cell wall and plasma membrane. Okay, so the outermost layer of cell envelope is known as capsule, middle layer is known as cell wall, and the innermost layer of cell envelope is known as plasma membrane. Here you can see the hair-like structure which is present on the cell envelope is known as your what? Fimbriae. Okay, and the yellow portion is known as cytoplasm. Okay, over which ribosome is present, nucleoid is present, and inclusion body and plasmids are present. Okay, So here you can say thread-like structure, known as flagellum. Another thread-like structure is known as pilus. Okay. So now move to the characteristic feature of a prokaryotic cell. So they lack a nuclear membrane. Membrane-bounded organelles like your mitochondria, Golgi bodies, chloroplast, and lysosomes are completely absent. Okay. The genetic material is present on a single chromosome, and they do not have any histone protein. Histone is a protein which is associated with the DNA. Prokaryotic cell have no histone proteins. Okay. So cell wall is made up of carbohydrates and amino acid, which is known as peptidoglycan. And the plasma membrane acts as the mitochondrial membrane carrying respiratory enzyme, which is known as a mesosome. Mesosome is a pocket-like structure which is found in case of your prokaryotic cell. So by asexually they can divide by following binary fission, and by sexually they can reproduce by conjugation. Okay. So now move to eukaryotic cell. So eukaryotic cell have a true nucleus which is enclosed by nuclear membrane, and they have membrane enclosed organelles by which they can form large and complex organisms. They can maintain different types of environment which allow for various metabolic reaction, and we can say it as metabolism. Okay. And the examples of eukaryotic cells are: first one is protozoa, second one is fungi, third one is plants, and the last one is animals. So these are the examples of your eukaryotic cell. Okay. So eukaryotic cells are the most complex and advanced form of cell in comparison to your prokaryotic cell. Clear everyone? Now you can see a beautiful colorful image of a eukaryotic cell. Okay. So here you can see how really they are arranged, how the organelles are really arranged in their specific membrane. Okay. So see, in the center, the organelle who is present is known as a nucleus. Inside nucleus, another organelle is present, known as a nucleolus. And nucleus is surrounded by a membrane known as a nuclear membrane. Okay. So the yellow structure, yellow organelle is known as a Golgi body. Okay. And the wave-like structure, or you can say a reticular-like structure which is present near to nucleus is known as your endoplasmic reticulum. Okay. So this is your ribosomes. Clear? Now, so now the red-like structure is known as your mitochondria. Okay. And the green like organelles is known as what? Chloroplast. Okay. And the whole region, okay, the whole fluid like region by which the organelles really get floated over, that region is known as what? Cytoplasm. Okay. And the layer which surrounds cytoplasm is known as cytoplasmic membrane, or you can say what? Cell membrane. Clear everyone? So now move to the characteristic feature of eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cells have a nucleus which is enclosed by nuclear membrane. That's why we can say that eukaryotic cell have true nucleus. Okay. They have membrane bounded organelles like mitochondria, Golgi body, plastid. Okay. What is organelles? Organelles means just suppose in case of a human there are many organs like heart, kidney, lungs. Okay. So like that inside a cell there are many organelles are present which have specific function. Okay. So cell wall is the outermost layer of plant cell and cell membrane is the outermost membrane of the animal cell. See, in case of plant cell, another layer will be present just outside the cell membrane. But in case of animal cell, they don't have any cell wall. The outermost layer of cell is known as a cell membrane. Okay? Clear? So eukaryotic cell contains cytoskeletal structure. Okay? For that they are getting a particular shape. Okay? So the nucleus contains a single linear DNA which is associated with histone protein and carries all the genetic information. Always remember, in case of eukaryotic cell, linear DNA will be present, but in case of prokaryotic cell, instead of linear DNA, they have circular DNA. Okay? So thank you. Thank you so much. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If this is so, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. For more videos, you can hit the bell icon. Okay?